Hello everyone, I'm Shruti and I'm a digital marketer and a career strategist. Today, I'm gonna review the PW Skills Digital Marketing course with AI, and it's a program that promises to teach you traditional digital marketing and blend it with the power of AI tools as well. Let's in this video, I will check it out whether it is worth your time and money or not. But before we talk about the course, let's talk real about the digital marketing itself because it's such a broad field with opportunities in social media, SEO, content writing, Google Ads, email marketing, website optimization, and more. And beyond the technical skills, companies look at your communication, analytical ability, creativity, and of course, your portfolio, right? So, especially if I talk about the ad agencies, they love creative minds. So, any coach should not only teach you the tools, but they should also help you in building your mindset. The thing is, you don't need to everything, but you just need to be clear at one or two focused areas, and you are good to go. And also to check out my personal recommendation for the digital marketing course that comes with 100% money back and the placement guarantee as well is linked in my description box. You can definitely go and check this out as well. Now, if I talk about the course, so basically they are claiming as digital marketing with AI, and it means it is a 3 months course, which they have also written it here, learn from industry experts and become job ready in just 3 months. So I can explore the programs which they are providing. So basically, they have three type of programs: digital marketing with AI course, content wala, which is again digital marketing with AI, and again, there is digital marketing with AI plus social media marketing. So it is for 5 months. Basically, if you are a beginner and you want to start with digital marketing, then you can definitely go with this course, digital marketing with AI. So let's go to this course and understand what they are providing. It's a 3 months course and it comes with the AI, and it is ideal for the newcomers, self-learners, and the business owners who are seeking the digital growth. So the classes, they have not specifically mentioned the batch dates yet. So basically their batches are starting from the 14th of August, and the duration is 3 months. The delivery or the language of the delivery will be in English only, and it is a job assistance program. Basically, it's a job assistance program, not a job guarantee, in which they can line up your interviews, they can prepare you for the with the mock interviews as well, but they are not guaranteeing you any job or the money refund policy. And it is live plus recorded delivery mode, means it is a totally online course. The offline module will not be there. So let's come to the modules of this course, what they are providing and what they are making you to learn. Then in their curriculum, they are covering introduction to the digital marketing, understanding consumer behavior, designing web presence, brand marketing, introduction to the e-commerce and D2C. And in the SEO, they are even covering the SEO types and all the basics. And in the SCM, they are covering Google Ads, and in the social media marketing. So basically, they are covering everything, and they are covering retention marketing and the lead nurturing, the web analytics, mobile marketing, ethics and digital marketing, capstone projects, media planning, and integrated marketing. So basically, this program covers SEO, Google Ads, social media marketing, content strategy, email marketing, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and website building as well. So, but if I talk about specifically the AI tools, then they have not mentioned the specific AI tools here, which is making this course slightly doubtful, because these but maybe they are providing you with the AI integration, so they can be they can teach you the tools, the AI tools for the keyword research, ad copy, analytics, and the campaign automation, right? So if I go to the, you can even download the curriculum from here and get a better clarity over this. If I go to the capstone projects, so this is logged and they are even providing the placement preparation in which they will help you to build your resume and the interview question and answers like a mock interview types, and they will even provide you soft skills training. So if I talk about the projects, they are providing you the projects in the marketing campaigns with AI, in which you will utilize the AI tools and all to run the marketing campaigns. And then they are even providing you with the building a personal blog website. If you are passionate about something, then you can even create your pers then you can even create a website or blog over this. And if I talk about the analytics dashboard creation, so they will help you in this as well with the how you can visualize and how you can interpret it. So lastly, they are even covering no code chatbot in which you won't need to add any code and all or the coding for to building the chatbots. So they are helping you with this as well. And if I talk about the mentors are from the PW itself. They have 5 to 10 years of experience of the teaching, and they are dynamic. And she is Divya Bhandari and the Deepak S. Verma. So one of his them is the digital marketing expert, and the other has been not mentioned here, but they have not provided any public profile links of their trainers, which can be a weaker point here because it's an important thing that you will consider while going for any course. Although they have years of real world marketing experience, but still you can ask them for the public profile links of these trainers. And then they have 2 to 3 programs. One is the basic and the other is premium. For the basic program, you will get recorded lectures, live sessions, and no job assistance. The assistants would not be there. They can help you with they can help you with the course and the learning material to upskill your knowledge. But if I talk about the resume building, the interview preparation, so it won't be there. And if I talk about the premium plan, then it comes with the recorded lectures as well as the live weekly sessions, right, including the doubt sessions as well. And they are even providing you the soft skill training in which they will provide you some extra projects and the tools on which you can have practice by your hands on. And then they are providing you the job assistance and then they are providing you the job assistance and the interview preparation. And there is a still a min and there is a still a minimum education criteria as well, in which you must have a degree plus diploma something to enroll for this course. So basically here in this plan they both hold the same prices. Both of them is for 35,000, so you can select any of them. And so this comes with the no cost EMI as well. Now, if I talk about the certifications, then they are providing you the PW certifications and the quizzes to earn your certificate. There are certain course videos, assignments, and the quizzes to earn your certificate through which you can elevate your resume and stand out, right? And the certifications they have not particularly mentioned, but they might be including the PW certifications and the Google certifications in it. And now, if I talk about the delivery or the course offerings, then they have live sessions and the pre-recorded sessions and daily doubt solving sessions as well. And one of the strong point is the hands-on learning. You will work closely with the AI tools, website builders, and ad platforms and the analytics dashboards as well. There are also real-world case studies and the projects to apply what you have learned. However, However, PW Skills comes with the 100% placement assistance, but not guarantee. They can help you with the resume help and the interview preparation and the job connections. And they are even providing you the inbound call support. So, but as if I talk about the pricing point here, as it is for 35,000, you can even compare it with other good options there in the market that offers longer duration or the university backed certificates. Because if I talk about the certifications, then this there can be a drawback here Now let's check the other program as well, which they are providing is digital marketing with AI plus social media marketing. So basically, it is for 45,000 and the course lasts longer for the 4 months. And the batch is starting from the 14th August itself. The duration is for 3 plus 1 month. They have not provided any internship guarantee, but they are giving you the job assistance program and it is again live plus recorded. I guess there is a difference of the module only. They are providing with the social media marketing in it in which they will make you to learn Instagram marketing, LinkedIn advertising, and the social media calendar, which was not there in the previous course. So basically, they have even provided you the tools here: Google Trends, Hootsuite, HubSpot, Facebook Ads, and Canva. So they have even provided you some extra projects here like WordPress, SEO, Google Ads, Facebook Ads. Sometimes now, if I come to my honest verdict here, so basically the course offering is 3 to 4 months. They are covering everything, but they are not so sure about the AI tools. Like they are missing with the GEO and the because they are missing with the Gen AI and the GEO. So I will give them zero point 0.5 on the module. The certification and recognition is not so much good. I will again give it zero point 0.5. It is not university accredited, but it is somewhere from the PwC skills itself. The mode of learning is only online, and they are even not guaranteeing you the LMS, the lifetime access to the LMS. So I will give it zero point 0.5 again. The trainer's expertise and the industry experience is quite good. They are professionals. I can't be so true about it, but I can give them again one. The knowledge of tools and access, it's not too much good, it's not too much less. It's an average, so I will give it one. And then if I come to the placement support and the career guidance, they are providing with the 100% placement assistance. And in the other one, they are not even providing with the something. So I will give it zero point 0.5 only. Course duration and the fee structure is quite good. I will give them, but according to their module and according to their offerings, the fee is slightly higher than the others. I will give it zero point 0.5. The after course support, it is not guaranteed. Daily doubt sessions are there, but support via Q&A forums and the telegrams. This is also there. But if I talk about the long-term community, then it could be lacking here. Then I will give it zero point 0.5. Talk about the reviews and reputation of institute. It is there. So the feedback is mixed. Some learners have also found the platform laggy and content redundant, but I can't be so sure about it, so I can give it zero point 0.5 again. And the hands-on learning and the practical exposure could be there, but I am not so much sure. I will again give it zero point 0.5. So the total becomes 6 out of 10, which is a less score than others. So I would suggest you to compare it with other options as well at the same prices. And if you are already in the marketing experience, you might find it too basic. So it is good for the entry level learners, but manage your expectations around placements, right? So if you want to see how this stacks up against the Coursera, IID, and Upgrad, uh, so check the comparison video linked in my description. And if you are looking for the top recommendation course, that is also linked in my description box. Please go and check this out as well. So you will get a better option than this, right? And if you like this video, just don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you are facing any doubts related to this video, then just drop them in the comment section. I will reply all of them one by one. I will see you in the next video with another institute review. Till then, thank you for watching.